ambition, un vieux manque d'action. Réalisé par Michelet, bientôt à l'écran.
What is that? Mr. Badu, turn that phone off. One moment.
Yo elim Badoud, c'est pas pour sans raison. D'ici ça, moi fais ça vle et me contrôler.
Somehow, these guys are affiliated with these groups.
Y'all can just believe it or not. Fuck y'all motherfuckers. I ain't going back to school. I ain't going nowhere. Bitch ass niggas. I'm Haitian.
That's not nothing that we need to be worried about right now. And fuck his family. Because we don't need to be worried about them either. What we need to be worried about right now is T-Mob getting this money. Yeah. That's what we need to be worried about. None of that other bull crap, none of that.
Qui est ça mon homme? Tout le monde vient connaître dans le quartier. Depuis nous on va prendre drogue. Wap moun, wap fait cas déjà.
Un moment difficile, une zone dangereuse. C'est pour nous kembe city ça sous tension pour nous faire ça.
I'm doing for everybody. You understand what I'm saying?
Nous
You
pas
understand?
que
My people in the
c'est
hate.
chien manger
I
chien.
understand. I understand. But you know what? Give me a couple of more $1 million. And when you all set, you go back to Haiti, and you can call me from Haiti, and then we can talk to each other. But as right now, alright? Hear me. Yo, put your hands up.